This is page 41. Please use headphones. Lisa used the number line to model -2 times 3. Does her number line make sense? Explain why not. So when you're doing this problem, -2 times 3, this is telling you the direction right here, and this gives you the direction. And this number, the second factor, shows you how many times you're doing that. How many groups. So her problem shows -3 times 2. Okay. Mike got on an elevator and went down. Down is negative. 4 floors. He meant to go down to a lower level, so he stayed on the elevator and went down 3 more floors down. So he went down 3 floors, but he did that twice. And that equals -6 floors. When Brooke buys lunch at the cafeteria, money is withdrawn from an account. The table shows the amount withdrawn in 1 week. By how much did the amount in Brooke's lunch account change by the end of that week? So, these are all costs, and cost is a negative amount. So, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times -4 equals -20. So she spent $20. She had a $20 decrease. Adam's scuba diving. He descends 5 feet, then he descends the same distance 4 more times. So here he goes down once. This is the first time he goes down, and then he goes down 4 more times. So connect those two. So he goes down 5 times. You have 25 feet. He descends 5 feet 5 times. The price of jeans was reduced. That word reduced shows negative. It was reduced $6 per week for 7 weeks. By how much did the price of the jeans change over 7 weeks? So it was -6 times 7, and that equals negative $42. So decreased $42. Alright, next page, next problem. Casey uses some of his savings on batting practice. The cost of renting, cost is a negative amount. Cost of renting a batting cage is for 1 hour is $6. He rents a cage for 9 hours in each of 2 months. What is the total change? So we have several things to think about here. 9 hours, 2 months, and then 1 hour is $6. So we know the cost is minus 6. We know it does 9 hours. But that right there is only 1 month. So we need to do that twice. It's negative 54 times 2 equals $108. $108 less. Volunteers at Sam's school use some of the student council savings for a special project. They buy is a negative amount, 7 backpacks for $8 each, and they fill each backpack with paper that costs $5. By how much did the student council's savings change because of this project? So we know there were 7 bags. And we know they spent $8 and they spent $5. Okay, so 7 times negative 8 equals negative 56. Okay, so that's how much it costs for the backpacks. And then they fill each backpack with paper and pencils that cost $5. So 7 times negative 5 equals negative 35. Add that and you get 1 here, 1 here, $91. They spent $91.